Here, look. Looks like my monitor's finally here. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to J Rue Productions. Today we are gonna review this awesome Asus 22-inch Full HD backlit LED monitor. Now this is currently sitting pretty on Amazon on sale for $103.71. And Asus is even offering a November special $10 rebate, so make sure you take advantage of that. So this, before tax, is an unbelievable $93.71. And of course, I got the one-day Prime shipping. Ordered it last night, got it in my door around noontime, so I wasn't expecting that. So why did I decide to buy another monitor now that I already have a dual 24-inch Asus monitor, exactly the same model, in my study room that I usually use to edit my videos and do surfing? Why? Because I want a monitor dedicated to work and also for practicing, so I don't have to move my monitors from my study room to my dining room. My study room, and here's my dual Asus 24-inch widescreen monitors that I purchased back in May of 2012. I paid $179 each. I've had it for over 5 years, both, never any issues. Asus, by the way, is made in Taipei, Taiwan, which is in the living room where I'm doing this review. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Considering the price, it saves a lot of hassle of moving peripherals around. There you see it. That's the model LCD monitor from Asus. That's the box that you see. Pretty straightforward. And that's my new Dell Precision 7520 laptop that you see in the background. Let's open this carefully. Now, I've had my dual 24-inch monitor for over 5 years, and I paid $179.99 back in May of 2012. So if you do the math, guys, it's depreciated about $17.26 per year. Oops, I forgot that I was comparing a 24-inch to a 21-inch. But anyway, you guys figure out the math. So I would just say like roughly $15, all right? So here we go, it's properly wrapped up. It's not huge, but it's just the right size for my dining room. Let's see if it comes with HDMI cable, which I'll be using to connect. There you go. It's the stand. Look at that, brand new, baby. It's got a brand new monitor smell to it. Ah, look at this. It's beautiful, guys. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, inside the bag is this quick start guide, a manual or a warranty, VIP member, and here is a stand. And it comes with the power cable. I'm hoping it comes with already a HDMI, but I'm not positive. And this is for the VGA cable. Nobody uses VGA cable anymore. I'm gonna throw that away. Yep, this is the DVI cable, so it looks like it doesn't come with a HDMI, so make sure you guys order in advance. But thankfully, I do have a extra HDMI cable. Big shout out to Twisted Vein for hooking me up with this. I should have reviewed this like 3 or 4 years ago, but finally I have the chance. So it's an awesome cable in which they have these special colored design nylon strap, and it's super long with super quality input and output on their HDMI display. Let's go ahead and get to assembly. Before we get into the features of the monitor, what I'm going to do is assemble the pedestal first. So what you're going to do is have the open area facing forward clip it to the monitor stand, and what you will do is tighten it by turning it clockwise until the screw is all the way in. And make sure it's aligned with these two little round pegs. There you go. Fold it over. And you can tighten it more with a screwdriver if you like. And it features these 4 rubber pegs so it doesn't move or slide. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Alright, let's go ahead and connect the power supply, which is in the back. I'm going to connect my DVI cable. There you see the DVI and the VGA. Also located in the back, along with the serial number and the UPC code. Let's go and connect it to my laptop. And by the way, my new laptop doesn't have a VGA cable connection or DVI, so it uses strictly HDMI capability. Let's go ahead and plug in the power and see how it works. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up by pressing, there's a button underneath here. And here are all the adjustments. There you see the Asus starting up. My computer detected it. It's going to run this diagnosis. There you see it. As fast as that, look at that. That is some bright display right there. So there you see the model. It's a LED backlit display with full HD, full 1080p HD capability, which features 50 million to 1 high contrast ratio with HDCP support. Offers a smart view. We can adjust the angle accordingly, and it offers an earphone jack with an Energy Star saving feature. Alright guys, so what this monitor features is a slim design, 21.5 inches by rounding up to 22 inch diagonal viewing screen with a quick 5 millisecond response time. So it's not the quickest. It's probably not solely meant for gaming, but I don't do any gaming anyway on my PC. It delivers smooth video display. It's got an aspect control function, allows users to select a preferred display mode, which I'll show you later, and it offers a 4:3 ratio for true live gaming and movie watching. Offers a splendid video intelligence technology which optimizes video performance and image fidelity. And this has over 8,000 reviews with a lot of positives. Alright, let's go ahead and remove all this stuff. Actually, maybe I'll just keep it on in case I have to return it. You never know, you know, sometimes it could be a lemon, but I doubt it. This monitor, it's a pretty lightweight, 6.8 pounds only. The dimensions of this is 20.2 inches wide by 7.9 inches in width and about 15.2 inches in height. I'll give a zoom in look at it. The only downside of this computer is that it does not features a height adjustment like most Dell monitors. So all it does is tilt. It has a tilt angle that you can tilt forward or back. You see that? Not too much. So if you want the monitor to be sitting up higher, you will have to get a monitor stand. That's the only downside of it. And when I turn to the back, it's got like a carbon, I want to say carbon fiber, but not exactly that, but it has that feel to it. There you see the ventilation, the Asus logo. There are the input outputs right there. There you see your serial number. And it's pretty basic right there. Nothing too fancy. I wouldn't say it's ultra slim, but it is. It has a nice smooth design to it. Let's go ahead and see how it functions when I try to run like a CAD model or maybe a video. First, I'm gonna go to my computer display settings. I don't want to duplicate these displays. What I want to do is extend it. Alright, so I'm gonna identify, apply, and then keep changes identified. My laptop is the main PC, 2 is where I will be extending it to, so click on OK. Now I'm gonna go to my channel, J-Ro Productions. Let's go ahead and start up. How about my channel trailer? See how that plays off that. Let's go ahead and drag the YouTube to the full screen right here. Let's go and play the video and see what the quality is. Welcome to J-Ro Productions, where we review everything from A to Z. Making videos is my passion, and YouTube is my canvas. So far, it's pretty short. Scenic locations, product reviews. All right, let's go ahead and quit that. Now I'm gonna go and play a video, one of my YouTube videos. This is my Carl's Jr. All-Star review. Make sure you check out that review. Now I'm gonna search for a game like Call of Duty. How about that? That way we can pretend that we are gaming. Call of Duty World War II. Let's play the trailer. How about that? Here we go.
Operation of the entire war. All right, fellas. Such as to break out of Normandy. Won't be easy.
So that was pretty smooth, right? Now I'm gonna do some CAD modeling. Let's say I want to design like this glider right here. Let's go ahead and see. Pretty smooth rendering, right? I'm going in and out. By the way, this is a CATIA. Smooth edges. Yeah. So far I'm very satisfied with this monitor. So that was some pretty nice quality images. Let's go ahead and cover these buttons that's built into the monitor. Keep in mind that the down arrow is basically decreasing, or bottom select, that's increase, and this is to enter, and that is to reset. Let's go ahead and press the menu button right there. There you see all the features. Why did that? Let's go to the report of the week channel. But anyway, you can scroll through these to look at the different functions and settings, so I won't go into details of that. I'm just going to show you how to adjust it. Let's say if I want to go up to choose my settings, right? Press enter, which is menu. I want to confirm that I use a standard mode. So yes. I want to escape out of there. I'm going to go down to press the down button to the colored mode. And let's say if I want to adjust the brightness, you press enter to select it. Do you see to adjust the brightness, make it dark, make it brighter? I'm gonna enter, and then to exit out of there, you scroll down, exit once again, and exit. Simple as that. Only here's a comparison between my brand new almost 22-inch versus my 24-inch. So guys, if you are in the market for a very affordable LED monitor with great dependability and great workmanship created by quality companies such as Asus. I can confirm that it gave me no problems for 5 years, so I do recommend the brand. And considering with the $10 rebate, it is a great deal, guys. All on a scale 100%, I recommend it. I give it an amazing 90%. So that's the Asus 21.5-inch Full HD LED monitor review. If you guys happen to like this video, go ahead and click the like button and share with your friends. And make sure to click on the subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more exciting food, products, and comic book hauls. Only on J. Rule Productions. Take care of yourselves.